Ooh, I wasn't even looking. I turned my head and he blew up on it. What's going on, guys, and welcome back to Mississippi Salt. It's Saturday morning. I got Mrs. Sippy Salt out here with me. We're gonna try to find some fish. Y'all, we just came to the closest beach to the house. We ain't got a whole lot of time to fish. We're gonna try to find something. Checking out the surroundings already. Got some pelicans diving. Got a lot of pogies out there, probably 200 yards off the beach. We're gonna go see if we can find something on these pogies that are busting up. Let's get on it. Y'all can see the rain's starting to move in already. I don't know if y'all can see that in the camera, but we don't have a whole lot of time, so let's get on some fish. Oh, goodness. Oh, there he is. Uh-oh, that feels like a catfish, though. That feels like an aggressive catfish. Or no, it's not. Nope, that's trout number one, y'all. All right, third cast of the morning. We already found our first trout. Woo, watch out now. Watch out now. Don't get me. All right. Now, he ain't no keeper, but that was my third cast. I was worried it was too late in the morning for top water, but apparently not. Trout number one, about 12 inches or so. Let's see if we can find us a keeper. Oh, I wasn't even looking. I turned my head and he blew up on it. What is this? It loosened my drag. I don't want him pulling the hooks. He exploded on it. I think that's a trout, y'all. Oh, maybe not. It might be a lady. No, it's a trout. It's just the way he's hooked. That's fine. Yes, sirree, Bob. All right, he's another shorty, but it's another trout. I got him hooked just in the gills. I hate that he's hooked in the gills because he is not a keeper. Let's see if I can get these out without hurting them too bad. Oh, no, that wasn't too bad. He's close, y'all, but I don't think it's a keeper. Probably gonna be right around 14 or so. Let's find out. Actually, I was way off, y'all. That's a keeper. That one's gonna come in at 15 and a half. My eyeballs ain't working right this morning. We're not gonna keep him though. I didn't bring anything to keep fish with. It's still real early on in the trip. I'm gonna let him go. Let him see another day. All right, guys, so y'all check it out. We're gonna change up our strategy a little bit. We've got pogies blowing up everywhere. Massive school of pogies here. I brought the cast net with me. We're gonna cast net some of these pogies, free line them, live bait, behind the kayak. Probably gonna end up with a lot of sail casts, which I'm fine with if I can get that big bull red, that big jack, that first big one of the year. Let's get that cast net out. Let's catch some bait. Let's get on them. All right, guys, cast net's ready. We're about to throw, see if we can catch some of these pogies. Now, the tough part is these pogies are very tough to keep alive once you catch them. So I'm gonna set my net up in the water, get these pogies directly back into the water after I catch them in the cast net. See if I can keep these things alive. Catch 3 or 4 at a time and go from there. See if we got any. Oh yeah, no problem getting bait, y'all. Good night. All right, right into the net. We're gonna drop that net right back into the water, like so. See if we can keep them alive. All right, y'all. Now we've got plenty of live bait. Oh, there goes one. I'm gonna have to lift that net up just a little bit. Come on, son, stay behind the clouds. Oh, that's a sailcat. That's a monster sailcat. Oh, he let go. Oh, no, he didn't. Yeah, it's gotta be a monster sail. No, it's not either. I don't think it is. Yeah, it's gotta be the way he's fighting. Yeah, just a monster sailcat. You don't see him come up to the surface too much like that. Dang it. All right, now you ain't that big. Come on. Man, they have such massive heads on them. Chill out. Chill out. All right, so boom, another big old ugly sailcat. Put up a heck of a fight. All right, guys, so we've moved locations. As cool as it was to watch these pogie boats do their job, of hundreds of pelicans flying around, dolphins blowing up everywhere. It's a really cool experience to watch. It's killing our fishing though. So we moved around. We're gonna come over here. We got this house line here, this shoreline full of houses and old docks. We're gonna try our luck there. But first, I'm gonna try to catch some more pogies. I've got some more blowing up right here in front of me. Let's see if we can get some more bait. See if we can get us our first bull red of the year. Nice. How big? 19. Freak. Huh? You want to keep them? I don't have a stringer, baby. Nice. Bring them to me. Let me see. Good night. Nice trout, 19 inches. Fat too. Good job, baby. I don't mind cleaning, I just don't want the meat to go bad, depending on how long we stay out here. Y'all, that's the biggest sailcat I've ever caught in my life. Oh, that thing is a freaking beast of a sailcat. I can't even get the pliers down in his mouth where he hooked himself. All right. Put an end to this problem. All right, y'all. y'all check out this beast of a sail cat. That is definitely my biggest. We're gonna take them home, we're gonna clean them, we're gonna cook them. Let's give sail cat a shot. But, so here's the plan. We're gonna skin them, gonna fillet them. We're gonna take one half of them and bake them, just plain fish. The other half, we're gonna fry them up. Let's see how it tastes. We're gonna set it up right inside here, get this thing cleaned up without Lacey seeing it, so we can surprise her. Catfish in there frying away, as well as Lacey's piece right down in there. Just about done. We're gonna give this a shot, see how it turns out. All right, guys, fish is cooked. Lacey's got her piece there. Like I said, Lacey does not like any kind of seasonings. She doesn't like it fried. She is a plain baked in the oven kind of fish person. So let's give it a shot. Let's see what she thinks. While she's working on that, boom, we got some fried up. This is the Southern style seasoning. Let's see what we got here.
It's good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Any fishiness? Nice, okay. Do you know what you're eating?
No.
You're eating sail cat. That was a true taste test. She had no idea what it was. She likes it. We're about to dig in on the fried version, see how we like it. All right, now that we know what this is, you want to give it a shot? See how it tastes? No sauce, no seasoning, just straight fish. I think you're gonna be pleasantly surprised.
You're filming me eat. It's not bad, actually.
It's not bad at all. Catching catfish takes me back to my days of nailing them on a tree so I can get the skin off.
No, it's not bad.
Awesome. Let's give it a shot here. I'm gonna take that piece right there. Guys, there's no fishiness to that at all. Now what I do, as y'all saw, I clean them, I skin them, I even soak them in milk. That's just something I grew up doing. I think it really helps draw that fishiness out. And we did fry these in the Zatarans. Fish fry, crispy Southern. Now, will I keep them every time I catch them? No. They're a pain in the butt to clean, but they taste really good. And we might actually do some fish tacos with these next time we catch them. So, hope y'all enjoyed it. We'll catch y'all in the next one.